Hello, dear friends. In this video, I'll tell you about the new Solana Airdrop and how to get SOL tokens in just a few steps. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. I try to find promising projects for you as quickly as possible. As you know, the world of crypto airdrops is amazing and rich, and you definitely shouldn't miss such events. So I'll briefly explain what this airdrop is and demonstrate the process of earning tokens using my own example. I'll leave the official resource for participation in the description below the video. Solana airdrops are a method used by projects based on the Solana blockchain to distribute free tokens to users, often as a marketing strategy or to reward early adopters. These distributions can help increase user reach within the Solana ecosystem. Let's move on to earning tokens. The first step is to have Solana tokens in your balance to meet the activity criteria. In my case, I have $6,432 worth of Solana tokens in my wallet. Then go to the official website, chainsaw.com, which is in the description below the video. Then you need to connect a wallet that is more active and has interacted with the Solana network. During the connection process, a window will appear confirming the connection to the site. You need to confirm this and wait for the tokens to be credited to your wallet. A couple of minutes later, 5 Solana tokens were credited to my wallet. I highly recommend not missing this opportunity and participating in this airdrop, as it's a great way to top up your crypto wallet. If you encounter any problems, let me know in the comments below the video. I'll be happy to help. Good luck to everyone.